next thing we want to do is load the film. The type of film you're going to want to use on this is going to be machine grade film and a 20-inch roll. We recommend starting out with at least 80 gauge film. So in order to do that, I could grab this film and throw it on down here, but this does have a really nice feature on it for changing the film over, so I can bring it up to an ergonomic level. So if I go here and just hit the jog down button and go down to coil change procedure and hit OK, it's going to raise the carriage up so I can easily put this on here instead of bending over. So to load the film, just pick it up here, set it on this spindle, and make sure it goes all the way down like so. It's on there. Then we're going to open this door, and that's just going off, letting us know the door is open. And it goes straight through here like this. Just pull this all the way through it, and it has to go around this roller. Make sure that it's around this roller. It's just straight through and around that back roller. I close this. As a reminder, the diagram is right here showing you how to do that. So the film is now loaded.